2022 Apple BBQ Festival. Do they have apples here?
Oh, I think there's going to be apples for sure.
Think so? Okay. Oh, what are you looking at me like that for? Hmm? Road. Got it all blocked off. It's all the way down.
Here, we gotta take a picture of that.
Yeah, what are you eating? That's mine. That's what I ordered. Alicia, on the other hand, couldn't wait long enough to hit her ribs up. Yeah, how are those? Those good?
Can I have one rib?
Coop, I got you some mac and cheese. Pulled pork.
Hey, we got. Yum.
Mommy's eating some ribs. Mommy, you want me to sing to you right here in front of everybody?
It's okay.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you.
Hey, it's my Sunday. Can I have one? What? Oh my gosh, Alicia. Oh, okay.
Cancel that one. He says cancel that one. I think he's getting too heavy for it. Oh man. Oh, I thought, oh, he flipped back over himself.
Last late night, a little cloudy. The sunset is packed across the board. What happening? A lot of people out tonight. Just chilling off a little bit.
Look at all these people, Cooper.
This is like 4th of July night.
This is crazy.
Yes. That's exactly what
It's right here. with that group? Where's Adeline? Okay.
I'll send her over to on the floor.
Fireball, are you parked over there or are you heading straight out? Alright, we're on the end of the big hills and I'm following her out. Alright, just making sure I know where you are. Here, videotape that way. Well, the season for the buggy is all done. We have something broken. And it's going to get loaded today instead of next weekend. We don't want to injure it more. So Mike's backing up. We're going to take it home.
So on that rail?
Now straighten it out.
So on that rail? Keep this rim on that rail. It's perfect. Go to your right. Yep. It's still spinning.
Guess what?
Still spinning.
That is good.
I'm trying to push it backwards.
Yeah, get the foot.
Yep.
Yep.
Boy.
No, it sounds good, Mike.
Hey, we're professionals. Oh, we got it. Come on, baby. It's coming. Oh.
Oh, geez.
Oh, yeah. Right there, that one, right?
Come on, Mike, put your butt behind it.
All right, put the brake.
Gosh.
Oh. There you go.
Hey, Mike.
I got an idea. Hold on.
You don't need this trailer. You got the other trailer up here.
Oh my gosh, Alyssa.
You're falling apart quickly. Holy smoke.
We start advertising entertainment down at the corner.
We never have a dull moment.
Never.
And I'm just going to be honest, it is like this at home all the time. There's never a dull moment. Look, Raz is even into this.
Scratching the paint job.
Oh. Yeah, it's all right. There's not much paint left underneath there anyway.
Sandblasted.
That's right. Sandblasted.
Free.
Oh my gosh.
What on earth? Seems like a bad idea.
Oh, I'm not.
This is it
I don't know.
They're all convinced.
Let off the brake.
Oh my gosh, they're so close. Oh, we're so close. Holy smokes! Woo!
Brakes! Okay.
Oh, okay, all right. And it takes the entire end of our street.
How many neighbors does it take to load the buggy?
Too many. It says it shouldn't go home. That's the whole purpose. Like, I mean, that's the whole point.
Yes.
Pull it forward, it'll unwind.
Oh, that's a good idea. Hey, it's workout morning, man. Watch out. Next Saturday we're gonna have the same thing.
Hey, when that breaks next weekend.
Oh, okay, we'll be here.
Oh!
We'll be here.
Whoa, Alyssa, that can't break. Nothing else can break down here. No more.
I said if that breaks next weekend, round 2.
All right, September 11th, 2022. Buggy was scheduled to go home next weekend, but we decided to put it on the trailer this weekend and take it home. Mac's going to go.
fault.
Not Alan's fault. Mac's going to go take a run before we get all packed up. Everybody's headed out. There's rain coming. We had a slight CV. I think the cage broke. I think Jamie was right. I think the cage broke on it, making some clunking noises. And then started flinging grease everywhere. So I think it loosened up just a touch, enough that it was clinking. So last night we didn't do much running around. We were lucky enough to get it to the parking lot. We barely didn't make it, did we, Alicia? Yeah. It was close. Well, you're happy. We're not happy when we have to bring the trailer up here and start taking stuff home. But Mommy's birthday yesterday. We had a big long day, didn't we?
Fun day.
It was nice. I always hate. What's that?
Swim.
We went swimming in Lake Michigan yesterday. We did. Drove around a little bit with the buggy. We took some hot laps before finally started making really bad noises. So
We were out for the night ride.
we were for the night ride. We'll have some footage on that. So that was a good one. But we're going to work on some CVs this winter. That'll be pretty good. We'll make a video when we take that dude apart because I'm pretty sure there's going to be some parts that fall out. So, but those were old. They were from the original buggy before. I should have changed them. I thought about it, but we didn't do it. It's okay. It's a fusible link. We'll let that little stuff break. We're okay with that. All right. So we're going to get some big, strong ones. We're going to make them bigger and better next year, right? All right. Well, for this year, Fireball is done for this year, right? We're taking her home. Great year with the motor, though. Ran great. So we'll do some more winter videos and get them all done up, right? Yeah. Right. What do you say?
Please go to my channel.